Hello 11th class. This is the continuation video of your chapter 2 relations and functions. In your previous video we have discussed question 1 to 6 from your miscellaneous exercise, right? Today we will discuss remaining question from your miscellaneous exercise. See your question number 7. Let Fg with domain R and range R be defined respectively by fx equal to x plus 1, gx equal to 2x minus 3. Find f plus g, f minus g and f by g. Let's begin the solution. See, fx equal to x plus 1, gx equal to 2x minus 3. The first part is f plus g, f plus gx, fx plus gx. Put here fx, that is x plus 1, gx 2x minus 1. You will get that 3x minus 2. The second one is the same, that is f minus g. Put here the variable function and you will get that's minus x plus 4. That is f divided by g, fx divided by gx. Put here x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. Denominator of the function will never be equal to 0, so this function is defined for all except, that is, x is not equal to 3 by 2. Now see the question number 8. Let f equal to 1 1 pair 2 3 0 minus 1 minus 1 3 be a function from z to z defined by the function fx equal to ax plus b for some integers ab. Determine a and b. Now let's begin the solution. That's the given function is equal to ax plus b. We know that whenever we find the range, then fx equal to y. This is the function. So put here the y equal to ax plus b. See the first pair. One is domain and the one is range also. Put here that y is 1 and x is 1. You will get that is a plus b equal to 1. Will get that is a plus b equal to 1, and when you put the second pair, that is a equal to x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, you will get this one. When you solve equation 1 and 2, you will get the value a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 1. Okay, you can take any pair from here. Okay, the next one is, see your question number 9. In this question we have given the relation, that is AB, where AB belongs to natural number and the relation is base equal to a square equal to, a equal to b square. Are the following true? These are the condition. We need to find these all are the condition are true or false. Let the first condition is, that is AA belongs to R for all that A belongs to R. Here domain is 1 and the range is 1. Justify your answer. Now let's see. Begin the solution. Here we take, that is first condition, AA belongs to R. If you have a element 1 which is belongs to natural number, then condition will be satisfied. The condition is true. Now if we take natural number 2, the condition is not true. See, 2 is not equal to 2 square. Except 1, it will not be satisfied with any natural number. So the answer will be false. Okay, now the second condition, it's given that a b belongs to R, so your condition should be satisfied first. So take a equal to 4 and the b is 2. When you take a, when you put here a equal to 4 and b equal to 2, you will get that 4 equal to 4. See, when you put here the a is 4 and 2 square, you will get that is 4 equal to 4. So the your given condition is satisfied. You need to find that BA should be belongs to R. If it belongs to R, then the condition will be true. Now see that BA means 2 domain will be range and range will be domain 2 4. When you put here the 2, then you will get it's not equal to 4 square. So the condition is not satisfied. The second is also false. The third one is, this is the given condition, AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R. Now take A equal to 16, B equal to 4. This implies A equal to B square satisfied because 16 equal to 16. The second condition, BC belongs to R. It should be satisfied. Whenever the condition will be take, that should be satisfied. See, B equal to 4 and C equal to 2. This implies A equal to B square, because 4 equal to 2 square is 4 equal to 4. Clear? Now we need to check here that AC belongs to R. A is here, that is A is, what is A? It's 16 and C is 2. See here, 16 2, this implies 16 is not equal to 2 square. So it's not satisfied. The condition is false. Clear? See your question number 10. Let A equal to 1 2 3 4 and B equal to 1 5 9 11 15 16. And the function is 1 5 2 9 3 1 4 5 2 12. Are the following true? These are the two conditions. We need to find that these two conditions are true or false. Justify your answer in each case. Let's begin the solution. Relation. We know that domain is the first element of set. First element. That is the first element from set A, and the range is the second element from set B. See this function. That is, domain is 1 2 3 4 2, and the range is 5 9 1 5 11. So the range is from the set B and the domain is from set A. So the given function is relation. The second thing we can do in this question, that you write down the Cartesian product A cross B, and we know that the relation is a subset of the Cartesian product. You can find out the answer by using this also. Okay. Now the second is f is a function from A to B. We know that according to the definition of the function, that every element from set A, makes the unique image with set B. Now see the function. Now every element of set should have image. So see, 1 2 3 4 making here the image. Now the second thing, we need to see that every element of set A should have one and only one image. So see here, 1 makes the image 5, and this makes the 9, and 3 makes the 1, and 9 makes the 5, and but 2 again makes the 11. So element 2 has total 2 images. So it's not a function, because function क्या कहते हैं हमारे पास, makes only one and only one image. Clear? See your question number 11. In this question, let f be the subset of z to z, defined by f equal to ab, a plus b, where ab belongs to z. If f is a function from z to z, justify your answer. Now let's begin the solution. Function is a subset of Cartesian product. Also we know that. So the given function is ab, a plus b, where ab belongs to integer. Let ab put a equal to 1 and b equal to 8. If we put a equal to 1 and b equal to 8, you will get this domain. That domain is 8, and you will get range equal to 9. So again, if we put the a equal to 2 and b equal to 4 in the same function, you will get the domain is 8 and the range is 6. And we know that when you put the domain, it will make the unique image. But here you can observe that 8 makes the 2 images. So hence f is not a function. Okay. Now see, this is your last question. That's question number 12. Let a equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and let f, domain is a and the range is n, we define by fx equal to the highest prime factor of x. X is the element. Find the range of the function. Now you have a equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The prime factor of the element 9 is 3, 3, and the prime factor of the element 10 is 2, 5, and the prime factor 11 is 11 and 1, 12 is 2, 2, 3, 13 is 3, 1. Now see here, when the function is, and the highest prime factor is 3. When the function is 10, the highest prime factor is 5, In this function, the highest prime factor is 11. In this function, the highest prime factor is 3. In this function, the highest prime factor is 13. So the range of the given function is 3, 5, 11, 3 and 13. Clear? Now your miscellaneous exercise is over. Complete question 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12 in your notebook. Thank you.